thought we'd go for a little bit of a drive around, a little bit of a chat about the drift school. What is that knock? Knock, 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 knock. It's always a weird feeling when I work on a car and everything makes noises. The old anxiety's high. How's that camera angle anyway? Is it good there? Well, drift school guys, let me paint a picture. So we failed. It didn't happen. Car was ready, packed, lunch was packed, waiting to walk out the door, and my youngest daughter Gage gets out of bed, walks out, "Good morning, Dad," and I take one look at her. I tell you what, looked like death. Oh no, let's give you a quick rat test before I head off to school, because I was heading out the door. I was on the way, car was warming up, we were out. Positive, mate. Test positive. Bugger. So we just spent the last 7 days isolating, me and the 2 kids. Missed out on my school day. Next school day is not until August. So we're booked, we're paid, we're heading for that. Bang, 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 there's that knock again. Fucking wheel's not gonna fall off. Might be actually. Probably just didn't do the lug nuts up. Let's pull over and have a little look, because the knocking is getting louder, and that shit ain't cool. Alright, we're back. It's always awkward when the lug nuts are loose on the front end. Wonder what else is loose. Alright, let's hit the road. Hopefully that was it. isolation, had the shits, you know, drugged everyone up, fed all the kids, righto, down to the shed, and we did a spring coil delete on the old girl over the weekend while we were in ISO. So we deleted a coil and a half, or looked like a full coil off the rear and a coil off the front. Nothing too major, but she's sitting nice and low now. Coming out of the shed now, I think the exhaust, the transmission, everything bloody scrapes coming out. So happy I didn't go any lower. But, yeah. Other than that, coming up, what are we now? 1st of April today. In May, we're going to the Philippines. By we, I mean you and me. And going to see my girlfriend of 2 years that I have never met. So the long distance COVID relationship is finally going to turn into maybe an actual relationship. So yeah, going for a holiday, spending a month over there. I'll take you guys with me. See some beautiful places. In the meantime, not much more I want to do to this until we actually get to drift. I might do the angle kit in this. I might start attacking the old ute as well. There's a lot of rust in it. I need to get a welder and teach myself how to weld. I think cut some of that rust out. I don't know what I'm going to do with the ute. Drag car, drift car, street car, work car. Well, that keep us busy anyway. So that is my update, guys. Sorry we didn't get to do some drift school, but it is gonna happen. Let's see what's down this way. The wheel's gonna fall off. Let's let it fall off on a back road. All right, guys. Well, I will chat with you later.